I am quitting Aura. So if you've been following me for a little while, you know that ever since last August, either August or July, I've switched my Repricer from Becool to Aura, okay? And I've been on this mission to actually do a review of every single Repricer. And when I say every single Repricer, you guys know that there's like 3 Repricers that are ruling the market when it comes to Amazon FBA, right? Becool, Aura, and Sellersnap. And guess what? What I'm doing today is I'm actually switching my Repricer. As of today, my Repricer is Sellersnap. All right. So what we are going to do today is I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience with Aura, how I felt about it regarding everything, like regarding what I can compare it to, right? What I can compare it to, which is Becool, and then why I'm actually moving to Selsnap and what I expect from Selsnap and my first impression, just my first impression about Selsnap. So quickly, pretty much, to go back, and by the way, you can watch all the videos, right, about all that stuff. You can literally go and watch the playlist on my repricing journey, but pretty much, Aura is a great repricer, all right? Aura is, I would say, their AI is the best AI repricer that I've used so far in my journey, in my couple of years actually selling on Amazon. And I'm not going to lie, the only repricer that I've really used is actually Becool before I was using Aura, right? I haven't tried Perfect Protector Pro, which I heard a lot of good things about from some students. I haven't used Selsnap until a couple of days ago. But yeah, Aura is great, and I'm not going to lie. If we need to compare Becool's AI and Aura's AI is years ahead of Becool's AI, all right? Becool is a great repricer, okay? If you understand it, I'm not going to lie, it's actually a good repricer if you actually understand how to use it, but Maven is light years beyond Becool, right? But today we are going to look at a repricer that is not necessarily trying to compete with these guys, right? They are not trying to service the same sellers, right? They are trying to service sellers that are more advanced, because you may know it, but Selsnap is actually way more expensive, okay? I don't even know exactly how much the plans are, but Selsnap is way more expensive than Becool and that Aura, right? But to be honest, one of the reasons why I was frustrated with repricers in general, and I've actually released a video talking about that. I think it was last summer, because I was actually in Vegas for ASD last year when I shot that video. And it's this video right here, okay? I was in Vegas at ASD, this is in my hotel room. And yeah, this is why I said, and like, I should actually remove Selsnap from there, because this is literally why I was saying that AI repricers in general suck, because what you want to do, one thing that you actually want to be in control of, I should say, with your repricer is actually, you should be able to tell your repricer what type of sales velocity you want to target, and so your repricer can actually decide how aggressive it wants to be, right? The great thing with Selsnap is that you can actually do this with one of their rules, and let me show you. And this is something that I'm really interested to try. That's something that I'm really excited. It's one of the features that I'm the most excited to actually try to play with. Is when you use the win buy box repricing method, you can actually target a specific buy box share, right? And by targeting a specific buy box share, you will actually, like, this is the closest thing that you have to actually tell your repricer how fast you want your item to sell, right? Because like, this is actually, and I think this is actually a way better way of actually controlling that than what I was actually thinking of, right? But to be honest, I'm really happy that this specific feature is there, right? And I'm going to play with it a little bit more. I've just started using it, and I'm not going to lie, the yo-yo features looks really good. And if you do not know what the yo-yo feature is on Selsnap, the yo-yo feature is a feature that actually helps you set your price, right? You will set your price, and what it's going to do is it's going to jump. Like, you can literally specify, okay, how often it should actually do that, because you know that with Becool, with Aura, what we actually like, what I've said myself, what I've taught people to do, and what a lot of other people tell people to do, is that they should actually bring their price up during the night, right? With Selsnap, with the yo-yo feature, you can do that way more often, okay? What you can do is you can actually get that, like, so I got on the call with Sellersnap, okay, with Georgie from Sellersnap, really nice lady that helped me with a few things and introduced me to the Repricer. By the way, Aura's customer service, amazing. Sellersnap customer service, amazing as well, okay? I only have great things to say about them. But yeah, like the yo-yo method, you can literally set, like, so what Georgia actually told me to set is like, to try is like 180 minutes, like every single 180 minutes, I will bring like the rule, the yo-yo method will bring my price to its maximum for 20 minutes, and then it's going to start repricing again, okay? And so this is what the yo-yo features looks like. And when you see those skip graphs with when you look into the offer tab and you look at the sellers, right? When you see a lot of ups and downs all the time just with one seller, it's 100% because they're using Selsnap. And to be honest, like, I tried, so I haven't done the switch entirely just yet, okay? I'm just starting. I moved a couple of asins, and I'm really pleased with the results right now. And like, literally, we were talking about the yo-yo method. Like, literally, you can click just right there to turn it on. Like, let me just show you, okay? And so you can choose, like, so what Georgie actually told me to do is 180 minutes and stay there for 20 minutes. And you can add condition to switch your repricing rule based on whatever things can happen. And so one of the things that I'm really excited for, and let me just cancel this before I save this and do a mistake. One of the things that I'm really excited for with Becool is, with Selsnap, is all the opportunity that they have, like all these conditions that you can set, and you can actually customize your rules based on a ton of things, like customize your repricing, automate it based on any single thing that could happen. And we will dive a little bit deeper into that as I get more familiar with the software myself, right? But let me see if I can still show you. So this is an asin that I use to sell, right? It's blurred, you cannot see it, of course. But like, if I go to repricing settings, this is where you can choose this thing. Like, there's just so many different types of rules that you can use, right? The only one that I'm playing with is AI Repricer Win Buy Box right now. And there are so many conditions. You can actually customize a repricer based on, like, let's say you have no purchase in the last 2 hours, then you can actually do something like switch your repricing rule, be a little bit more aggressive, all that stuff. And so it's actually crazy, like, based on inventory aged, add some condition like switch the repricing rule, or like, what can you do? Set a minimum price, set a maximum price. Like, it's crazy the amount, like the type of things that you can do, like historical days of supply, if the stuff is back ordered, if there's FBA sellers, if there are FBM sellers. There's just so much things right there, like so much stuff that you can actually customize your rule, and you can build crazy workflows. And you guys know the workflow that I built in the past for Becool that I showed you I was doing my repricer. I'm going to work on something with Aura, and with Aura as well, by the way, but like with Sellersnap, we're going to look into that. Super excited to actually start digging into that, and I'll show you guys my whole workflow in, I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I need a little bit more experience with it to actually be able to show you. All right. Now, do I think that you should move from Sellersnap? This is what we're going to see, okay? Because Sellersnap is more expensive, and I think that, from my discussions with Dylan, who is the one of the founder of Aura is not trying to necessarily be the best repricer out there, right? This is not their mission. Their mission is to be the best repricer at their price range, right? Which it definitely is, right? Sellersnap, if I see their position, is probably like the best thing out there. Okay, it's probably the best thing out there as far as I know, and it's not necessarily what Aura is trying to do, because like there's a reason, like they're the best, but it's expensive, right? So is it worth the money? This is what I'm going to investigate in the next couple of months before I actually do the final video of this series, which is going to be who is the best repricer, which repricer you should actually choose, okay? And when it comes to the lower end, I'm not going to lie. I believe that if you are a beginner, the repricer that you should go for is probably Aura. Why? Because, first of all, the interface, they have the best interface, like period. They have the best interface out there when it comes to Repricer, the most intuitive. It's the best interface, the best design. It's such a pleasure to actually go on Becool, on Aura and Reprice. Becool looks a little bit more complicated, right? To be honest, I don't really remember my first days using Becool, because I started using Becool a long time ago when I actually started selling on Amazon a couple of years back. I could not even, like, I don't even remember. Okay, I don't even remember my experience when I actually started working with them. But yeah, so Selsnap is really, really powerful. Okay, it's really, really powerful. However, you need to understand your business, you need to understand your numbers, you need to understand sales velocity, and as a beginner, if you get it, you're probably going to throw money out of the window. But it's not like, you're probably not, if you are just starting selling on Amazon, okay, and if you're just working weekends, you're not like actually want to push it, you know, I don't think Sellersnap is for you, and I don't think that they're actually trying to market to you, right? But if you want to actually go to the next level, I guess Sellersnap is what you want to get. But we'll see, we'll see. Really happy with what I've seen so far. I'll keep you guys updated as I did with Aura, okay? And we'll see from there, all right? Super excited to try that. I'll see you in the next video.